Are Coursera Python for data science courses actually worth it? And which ones should you take if you want real, job-ready skills? In this video, I'll give you a quick review of the best Python data science courses on Coursera so you can choose the right path. Before we start, quick tip. If you plan to take multiple courses, Coursera Plus can be a better option. You get access to a large number of courses under one plan, which makes it easier to build a full data science skill set without paying for each course separately. I've linked it below if you want to check it out. Now let's look at the top courses. One of the most popular options is Python for Data Science, AI and Development by IBM. This course has over 40,000 reviews and a solid rating of around 4.6 out of 5. It's beginner-friendly and covers everything from Python basics to libraries like NumPy and Pandas. You'll also learn how to work with APIs and real-world data using tools like Jupyter Notebooks. This is a great starting point if you want a strong foundation. Another top choice is Introduction to Data Science in Python by the University of Michigan. This course has over 27,000 reviews and a rating of around 4.5. It focuses more on data analysis and statistics using tools like Pandas and NumPy. You'll learn how to clean, manipulate, and analyze data, which is a core skill in data science. This is better if you already know basic Python and want to go deeper. And a third option is Python for Data Science by Fractal Analytics. This course is more project-focused and teaches practical skills like data visualization, statistical analysis, and real-world problem-solving. It has a rating of around 4.1 and focuses heavily on hands-on work with tools like Pandas and visualization libraries. Now let's talk about what you actually learn. These courses teach Python programming, data analysis, data visualization, and working with real datasets. Many include projects, which are critical because employers care about practical experience. Now here's the smart approach. Instead of taking just one course, you can combine multiple courses to build a complete data science pathway. Start with Python basics, move into data analysis, and then explore machine learning. That's where Coursera Plus becomes very useful. You can switch between courses, explore different paths, and build a full skill set without paying again for each course. But let's be honest, courses alone are not enough. You need to practice, work on projects, and apply your skills. So, are Coursera Python data science courses worth it? If you choose the right courses and stay consistent, then yes, they can be a powerful way to start or grow your career in data science. If you want to explore these courses or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the links in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and honest reviews like this.